Good morning, everyone. Short video just to show you how to go loading your first property. So if you're a landlord or agency, and then yeah, I think that's it. So as a landlord, and when you log in as a verified landlord, this is how it shows up on your profile. You will have the account verified. Your properties will now show as verified with the blue check mark or green in your profile. What I mean is this over here. So this person who uploaded this property is a verified landlord or agency. I can't remember, but yeah. And every time that you post, it will have that tick mark. And if you're not a landlord, let's say a verified one, it will not have the blue check mark. Yeah. So to begin, when you click add property, like let's say house in Kawata, description 2-bedroom house for sale with solar and what else, water tank. Let's say monthly rent is 2.5. Yeah, and you put it as house for sale. Oh, house for sale. Okay, let's say rent for demonstration purposes. And then it's maybe 200, and I don't know about areas and all that, but you can just enter whatever value. 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, not furnished. Address Kamwala, I don't know, Kawata A123 in Lusaka. Okay, I need to add Kawata. I just put Kablonga for demonstration purposes. Electricity, solar, tank, water. Where's water? Can't see water. Water supply. Oh, I was right there. And photos. This is where you select or take pictures of the property. Okay. You're supposed to upload at least 3 houses. Then you put your number and email address if you want, but number is enough. And then you submit, and it will upload your property. And I just want to show you the blue check mark that will show up, and then I'll delete it. This is just for demonstration, and I don't want it to be there for everyone to see since it's live. Yeah, and it will take a second, and there we go. Where is it? Refresh. There it is. House in Kawata. It also shows the check mark thing. Yeah, and if you go to dashboard, you will see it there as well. How many people have viewed it, how many comments are there, and how many people have showed interest or opened it since you uploaded it. Yeah, and you can view analytics there and see. And if you click the I check mark, that makes it hidden, meaning it will not be visible for others to see, meaning it will not be available. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it will not be available. It would not be available for others to see. And yeah, edit. You can edit the details there if you made a mistake somewhere. And yeah, basically that's how that works. And you can delete. Yeah, so that's how you go about uploading your property on the Bondi app. Yeah.